to week number 10 of the house build, and welcome to the 131 members that we've now got. So that's increase on last week, so thank you very much indeed. Without further ado, let's go. Tuesday finds me on the lovely sunny day, absolutely gorgeous. Finds me on the slab again. What are we doing? Okay, so what we are doing is we're building the balcony area. So we're going to cantilever off the reinforcing bars in the slab, cantilever it that way, 4 or 5 feet, I can't remember what the dimension is now. Let me stand over here. So we'll cantilever it over there, linking it in with the stairs where that sticks out. You can see our friend's just about to do the ring beam that will go all the way across and then link in with that one there. So that's what they're doing on the back. Here we've just discussed we're going to increase the size of the bedroom, although it's quite big now. So the blockwork rests directly on that beam. That's probably a better idea. And then the bathroom, we've extended it this way about 2 foot, although that was quite big as well. Because it gave us a kind of an area by the side of the kitchen, just behind Joel there. It gave us an area behind the kitchen that was really a dead space, so you might as well use it in the rooms. Then we discussed where the AC is going, because although Joel's not installing that, he will install the power points. So we discussed where the ACs are going, one in the bedroom and one in the living area. Then we discussed the power points, because they've got to put the orange cable, the plastic stuff, inside the slab. So we discussed where those are going, so he knows that. You can see up here what they've done. Well, what they're doing, there's a gentleman right over there in the corner somewhere. He's putting the last knockings to the ring beam. In fact, I think they've poured that ring beam. I think he's taking the wooden thing off the shutter, so we can use it somewhere else. Here you can see they've got the one layer of blocks over the ring beam cast. They're getting ready to cast that one and this one that's open. Oh, I guess that's where that thing's going to go across here. They've done this bit. This is an opening as well. Now while we're here, I'll tell you about the roof. The roof goes from, you see those starter bars that are sticking out one row underneath the windows. It goes from that in a downward slope to this ring beam here, and then sticks out 1 metre. Then we have a ring beam above this opening, one level of blocks, and then that roof slopes that way, and that goes all the way across right up to the stairs. This bit we're standing on is obviously a flat roof which goes that way. So, now that's the point. You see he's carrying those plastic tubes. Well, the plastic tubes, apart from being used here for the lights, they've started to put in the light switches inside the blockwork, so Joel's going around now and finding suitable locations for those. In fact, I can see one in the bedroom. Can you see it? Just sticking out above the wall. Oh, and there's one in that room there as well.
Almost all the switches are installed.
Oh really? Yeah, Joel's just said all the switches, or almost all, installed. Next week, the outlets. Okay, let's go down. This is giving me vertigo. There's one switch, that's in the bedroom, and the next switch is in the living area. There you go, on the column. Just moving we're just setting out the angle of the roof, and he's moved it from the lower one to the top one to give it a little bit more flow down.
Yeah, because we
there you
changed
go.
the profile of our room.
Right, in one of the bedrooms they've started the backfill. They've started the backfill in the entrance lobby, and they've started the backfill in that corner there to this bedroom here. So backfill's ongoing. This is the bedroom. So they've now built this entire wall. We'll go outside and have a look in a minute. Okay. Here's a couple of stills. This is where the junction box is going to go in the kitchen. And this little area is underneath the balcony in front of the stairs and the man cave entrance. And Joel and me were discussing a sexy little ceiling that we can have. I'll tell you more about that when we set out the ceiling. There you can see the wall that's been built since we were last here. Right the way up to ring beam height. Those two guys working quite well. You can see they've just put a line across the top of that for the final row of blocks. That guy there is just linking in the columns with the wall beam, and then is there another ring beam over that, Joel? Nothing, right. So the wall just goes, the roof just goes straight on that. So the roof goes on that one. Over there we're going like crazy. So by the end of the week, Joel tells me, how much concrete will we lay by the end of the week?
Yeah, we'll finish the slab and start pouring the ground floor level of your floor next week.
There, you heard that. So if it's wrong, you know who to blame. Okay, this is for one of my subscribers who wanted a walk around of the site so he could possibly help with getting some ideas. So I don't know, it goes right from over there, which is it's quite a distance from that bike, where the corner of the road is, corner of the wall meets the road. This level will probably be at that level, so imagine this to be flat. Okay, so it goes from there all the way along here, right the way to the back. You've seen the back 1,000 times, but I'll take you there later. So the front bit, we've got an idea, but it's not 100% cast in stone. The side bit's narrow. Again, we've got an idea. But it's not cast in stone. The back, I've got no idea. This area, I've got no idea. And this area, I've got no idea. So you can let your imagination run wild. Anything that looks nice. I'm thinking a pond maybe, with some fish in it. I'm thinking a barracuda somewhere. I'm thinking some vegetable gardeny area down there. I'm thinking hedge. I'm thinking grass. I'm thinking grass and stone and concrete going around the back. Railing around the slope. Apart from that, I have no idea. So I'll let you think on. Any help would be gratefully appreciated. Continuing round the back for landscaping purposes, we've got this area, we've got a little bit of this, because all this will get moved once we backfill it. You've got all this land up to the hut where we were standing before, and then right up to the house. So it's quite a big, this is quite a big area here, and it's big over the side. Any thoughts, let me know. Well, this shows on Saturday morning, I think they started at 7 o'clock, then laying the concrete slab. They've got all the mixers already prepared in the bags. They form a long line and they pour it down the far end, as you can see by this little example. You can also see where they've set out the power points for the walls. They'll be cast inside the concrete, and next week they will be doing the block work on those ring beams. No block work on the main slab. We're going to leave that for 20 odd days, let it harden. The ring beams should be okay. So there you go. What a great end to the week. Well, isn't that an exciting end to the week, everybody? Pouring concrete, which means next week will be even faster with more block work to be laid. Well, it certainly cheered me up. Not that I needed cheering up, because the wife has gone away for 2 weeks. If you're from any of the countries listed, I wish you all a fantastic weekend. If you're not from any of those countries, I still wish you a great weekend. And I look forward to seeing you all next week. Bye bye. Well, good morning. And well, blimey, that didn't take long for an interruption, did it? I'll start again. Well, Monday finds me, no, Tuesday finds me on a, I'll do that again. Now we've put half a block height on top of that ring beam, and that is the end of the end wall. The roof will lay on top of that, sloping upwards. If you remember, and if I can show you, no, I can't show you that. We'll cut that bit out. Make it look as if I know what I'm talking about. Okay. Welcome to Dan's Diary. I'm happy to say we've made it to week 10. I'm also happy to say we've got 131. I bet you wondered what that was there for a minute. I'll start that one again. Good.